everybody, this is Shreyas from Cubans My Thing, and today we're going to be unboxing a surprise package from scholastic.com. So, the thing about it is that it isn't really not like I didn't pay for it or something. It's there was this competition of writing. Oh, this tape. Yeah, so I when you participate, you get a coupon, and they gave a link to buy some packages. So the thing is, I bought a package, but I really don't know what books are there. So it's like a surprise, basically. So I don't know if it can only be books because the package could even contain maybe some kits or something. So we have to see. Okay, it has books. You know that much. Now let's open it. This is one big package. Okay. Sorry if it's taking me a bit of while because it's a big package. It's really hard to unbox. Okay, so out it all is. So oh man. Let me just set my recording desk back to normal. Okay, this was one big package. I think I should have done it somewhere else. Okay, just a second, people. Okay, so we'll begin from the first one, I guess, because the first one that fell out of the thing. Okay, this one is called Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare, I'm guessing, because it looks like that. Then it's illustrated by Lee Seong. Okay, who's that? Then retold by Michael Ford. Okay, so I'll read the summary for each of these ones. Let me just set my camera. Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar is the most important man in Rome, but many Romans fear that the power is too great and that he plans to make himself king. A plot is hatching against him. Will Brutus and Mark Antony join the conspiracy against a friend for the good of Rome? Shakespeare's gripping tragedy of ancient Rome is vividly and faithfully retold in graphic novel format. So this book cost $195 according to Scholastic. So one more thing, I think I bought this book package for about $9.75, but then I had some discounts. I got it for $5.55, which is good. So now let's see the second book. The second book is the Book of Dragons, and well, that is for 7th grade. Okay, vlog. Nesbit's forgotten masterpiece brought back to delight young readers again. Okay, so this is an old book pretty much. The fire-breathing dragon is accidentally let off the page of an enchanted book. A plague of invading dragons is driven off to sea by two children. A sleeping ice dragon might just wake up to eat the entire world. Meet dragons of all kinds, good and evil, funny and frightening, wild and mischievous, in these clever magical tales. Each of the stories is unique, with some of them breaking stereotypes. Damsels are not always in distress and boys are allowed to be scared in Nesbit's favorite fantastic stories. So this is a classic. It's for 250 rupees. The cover looks nice. Oh, I forgot to tell that. Julius Caesar cover looks nice, except it looks sort of weird. I don't know. This one looks nice, except it looks very kiddish. Next book. On to the next book. I'm taking out from the lowest. So, Monuments of India. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell the author of this book. E. Nesbit. Monuments of India. Mirinalini Venkateshwaram. I'm guessing that's the right pronunciation. Forgive me if I couldn't. Shah Jahan originally planned to build himself an identical tomb to the Taj Mahal in black marble across the river. The Iron Pillar of Delhi is remarkable for defying a basic understanding of the nature of iron, which is that it rusts. The Paradesi synagogue in Cochin is the oldest surviving age synagogues in the Commonwealth. The white willow patterned Chinese ceramic tiles for its floor were brought all the way from Canton in the 18th century. Come and explore India's rich history. Featuring 50 of India's best known historical structures, this book explains their architectural heritage and social history. Detailed timelines and related trivia make this book a handy reference tool for both students and adults. So, its genre is history, architecture, and heritage. Try page 40. Okay, maybe I'll try that. Reference 295. Okay, page 40, as it said. On to page 40. Okay, 40. Okay, so this is about a monument called Maharangra Fort. Okay, I'll read this later. Next book. Hello Neighbor, Missing Pieces. Cally Annie West. I think there's a movie based on this. This guy's a killer, I think. I'm not really sure. The Excuse prequel story to the blockbuster video game Hello Neighbor. Nicky Roth has always been a lonely kid, but that all changed when he and his family moved to Ravenbrooks and meet their eccentric neighbors, the Petersons. Nicky befriends the Petersons' son, Aaron, bonding over their talents for tinkering. Soon the boys are inseparable and using the skills to pull pranks on the townspeople. But something about Aaron bothers Nicky. People seem almost afraid of him and his family. Through snippets from Aaron and a lot of sleuthing in the town's archives, Nicky discovers a dark past haunting his neighbors. In a streak of bad luck they can't seem to shake. Aaron thinks that's all behind them now. But Nicky has a feeling the Petersons are fated for another tragedy. This pulse-pounding prequel novel to the hit video game Hello Neighbor includes 2 colored illustrations throughout to help the readers unwind the mystery at the heart of the game. Fiction, $3.95. Okay. So, if this is a good book, which I doubt it will be, I will go and play the game. Okay, Hello Neighbor, let's remember that name. And the last book, but not the least, maybe the least, Problem Solving in Science, Donna Bennett. Okay, don't bother reading this. The price is 150 rupees. It's science. The cover page is okay. This cover page is amazing. It seems like the man is digging someone's body out, which looks cool. Monuments of India, I think the best cover because that looks amazing. Then, sorry, my camera shifted. It's back in focus. Book of Dragons. Okay, cover. And to sum it all up, Julius is a horrible cover. But I just want to say thank you to Scholastic for sending me a lot of books because I'm really a book lover. I have read a lot of books. Maybe later I'll show you guys my library. I have a legit library of myself. My thing is that big. So all these books are amazing. Oh, let's try doing this. Unravel. 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 And that's it. Okay, so if you like this thing, then please like and subscribe. And you can buy these books at Scholastic, I'm hoping. So I'll type the names in the description and the price if you want to get them. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share. And this Saturday I'm gonna be posting a Cuban or chess video or maybe a gaming video. Okay, you guys can comment on this if I figure out how to turn the comments on. But otherwise, just what do you say? If I get 10 likes, I will count it Cuban. If I get 5 likes, gaming. 15 likes, chess. Okay, bye. See you all later.